Hola, bon dia. We had a slow start to the week because we were still recovering from sinus colds.
Surprisingly, we made good progress in spite of spending a good portion of the week in bed. So join us for another week of renovations.
Believe it or not, I'm actually feeling a bit better today, even though I think this is about the worst that I've looked. So you can see my eyelids are really puffy. I think this one is worse. So that's just from all of the pressure in my sinuses, which are also a bit puffy. And also because yesterday my eyes wouldn't stop watering, so I kept wiping them, which didn't help. So let's try a cold compress and see if we can make this look a little better.
You wearing your safety pinguinos on the ladder?
Yes. They stay on just as well as my Crocs.
Mm-hmm.
Which probably means I also shouldn't wear Crocs on the ladder.
Let's see them. Show your safety pinguinos. Okay. You're a weirdo.
Yeah, well.
It's okay. I was up on the scaffolding in my flip-flops earlier.
Well, because that's safe.
They're not pinguinos.
That is true.
So what are you doing?
I'm doing a primer coat on the top portion. So Grant did Reboku on this, like 2-3 months ago now?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
It wasn't really Reboku. It was just cement slapped on.
With a bit of Reboku mixed in with it, because I can feel the sandy texture.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm painting this with first coat of primer. Tomorrow I'll do the second coat of primer, and then I can go ahead and paint it when I paint the whole room. So the 3 walls that are already painted are just done with primer. So we're ready to paint with the actual paint. And I figured out our funky lighting for here as well. So
Okay.
it'll be a DIY accent lighting.
Okay. Like a Portuguese accent?
No,
like an English accent?
No, like I'm hoping to get rid of the wires.
Oh.
In the kitchen.
Okay.
So.
You mean these wires here?
Those wires.
That are in and out of the wall?
Yes.
Okay.
So I was thinking we could put wood, what's that called? Like a valance on an angle like this, and then run strip lighting behind it. And then that way it can plug in over there somewhere. We can maybe hide an outlet behind the valance as well. And then it'll just be like a little, what's that thing called? A remote to turn the light on.
Okay.
So there's that.
That sounds made up.
You're made up. But for now, I'm priming the walls in my pinguinos and half of my pajamas. As you can see, it's nice and sunny today. Bit on the cool side, so I'll need a sweater, but I'm going to be able to work outside today. And we're supposed to have 2 weeks of weather like this. So that means I can finish the repairs at the very top by the roof. And then tomorrow I can finish the cement wash on that section. And next week I can finish painting. So we just have this section here and a tiny little section over there. And then the entire house will be white. Just in time for Christmas. know how good I am at this, but I'm attempting to even out the transition where we had to break out some of the blocks to put the purlin in place. We'll see how it goes. So you can see the areas I repaired today here and here. So it's not very thick. Some areas are maybe a centimeter thick, and then the rest just kind of tapers off. So we're gonna let that dry. It's taking a lot longer to dry because it's cold out, but that maybe is a good thing. So it's not going to dry too quickly, it's not going to crack, and it should have a good bond on the wall there. And it's looking good. It's nice and smooth now. So yeah, we're going to give that, I would say, at least a week or more before I'm doing the cement wash. But that's what it looks like for now.
So there's Christina's repair that she did the other day when she was up on the scaffolding. Looks pretty good. Better than my job anyway.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing?
Getting some of the cement off of this so I can mix my paint.
Oh. Where'd you get this paint?
We were given free paint by subscribers of ours. So special thank you to Dawn and Sonia for free paint. They're also the ones that gave us the gravel, which we still have to go and collect because our car can only handle a small amount of gravel at a time because of the weight. Woo! Looks like chocolate milk.
I like chocolate milk. What's up, Betty?
Should come for a close-up.
Ooh, chocolate milk.
Woo! Looks delicious.
Sweeping walls?
And sweeping the walls.
Yeah, well,
These
mental.
footprints do not come off, though. So, these cats is fired. Making a mess of my painting job.
Yeah, that's you.
Yeah.
She's talking about. Hey, up here.
You and DJ and Rocky leaving your dirty little footprints everywhere.
Come on. There you go. Hello. All the way up. Come on. Up. All the way up. There you go. Good girl. Is that where you hang out?
Alright, here goes nothing.
Well, here, I'll film you while I'm...
Film you?
Yeah. Where'd you go?
No turning back now.
Is this what we're doing now? Oh, you getting down now? Okay. I like it. I think it looks good.
I think you won't be able to see the cat footprints on this part of the wall now because it's the same color as the dirt.
You could just paint the whole house that color, and that way you never have to worry about washing it or repainting because it'll just be dirt colored.
You're funny.
I'm okay with that. It's a terracotta-ish.
It's actually not a bad color. I like it. It's like a warm chocolate brown, like milk chocolate brown kind of color.
Yeah.
It's got like a slight hint of terracotta to it, so a little bit of the orangey tinge, which is why it matches our dirt, because our dirt is clay.
so the house will be invisible, like an optical delusion.
Exactly. It's exactly what I'm going for. I decided to cut in and paint this little edge here with the brown color because during the summer months we get a lot of days with Sahara dust, and I kind of feel like this ledge is just going to collect all of the Sahara dust and turn orange anyways. So it's going to blend in better and be less noticeable if it's painted brown rather than leaving it white. So that is my logic there. Well, that is the progress so far. I have half of the house painted on the lower portion with a kind of chocolate brown color. So, to be honest, it wasn't my first color choice. I originally was going to mix kind of a salmon pink color using the red ochre, like my experiments in a previous video. But then we'd probably need to buy more white paint. So I decided to use the brown paint that we were given. So it is free paint. And now that I have it on the house, it actually looks quite good. I'm happy with how it looks. And it's definitely better to have a darker color on the lower portion of your house because when it rains, you get quite a fair amount of splashback. So you get dirt splattering onto the paint, onto the walls. So this will help to keep it looking cleaner. Hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
Nothing?
Nothing.
Cutting up some of the dregs.
Cutting up some firewood?
Yeah. You laughing at me?
No, I'm laughing because look at the difference here. Yeah, so this is why I'm laughing, because I'm wearing my like pajama painting shirt, a t-shirt, and a long sleeve like thermal t-shirt. And Mr. Sexy Pants here is cutting wood topless.
Well, you're also working in the shade.
And you were
painting, and I'm
working in the sun.
Cutting wood
That's true.
in the sun, so.
No, I was just laughing because it's like we're on a different planet right now.
Please give our video a like, share it with your friends, leave us a comment. We love hearing from you guys, and subscribe if you haven't yet.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye!